Jennifer Weisselberg joins me now. Jennifer, thank you for being with us this morning. I want to ask you about this whole idea, because Donald Trump said just last night, this is about a car. It's about not paying taxes on a car. These are not the things we should be going again. What you told the Manhattan DA and what the charges that they filed, they're not just about a car and expenses around an apartment.
No, I read what he said. First of all, the DA, this is the major economic crime unit. They still handle other violent crimes in this city, so that's incorrect. It's not just about a car. It's about a scheme. We can talk about consulting fees. We can talk about the way they manage money. They'll get into the cash with the ring. They'll get into the loans. This is just the beginning, the tip of the iceberg. But it's not about a car. I know he's trying to say he's generous. It's about him saving money on taxes. And it's a scheme. And the documents have been able to prove that for the past 5 years.
So, in fact, Don Jr. made a comment about this on Thursday as it came to sort of tuition. Let's just play that, and I want to get your opinion on the other side.
Sure.
My father, after almost 50 years of employment, paid for his grandkids' private school in New York City. My dad did that because he's a good guy, takes care of his employees.
Sounds like a nice sentiment. What do you think?
I know. Listen, I've always been grateful for Donald's generosity, but Don Jr. knows through his ex-wife that there are very serious things going on. And the reason I'm talking is because I haven't seen my children since February 3rd of 2020 at 7:45 in the morning when I took them to school, because Don Jr. and Donald and Alan and Barry wanted to silence me over talking to the DA about this organization. So he can stop with his shenanigans about I'm not generous. I don't appreciate it. I'm not grateful. I'm so grateful, but nothing means more than family. And I just want freedom from this family. I'm not here because of a divorce or I want money. I was so happy to be rid of this family in 2019, but I'm never going to stop fighting. I'm a mother. You take my children and I will fight till the death.
What's the motivation for you? Why not sort of just walk out into the wilderness with the information you have? Why do you want them to know so badly what this family was doing?
I think it's important. Like the segment you were saying before, that he's not reelected. I think that they're liars. But it's not just that. This was handed to me. I think I already know too much. So they're trying to silence me. I have a gag order. They're trying to get me evicted. I already know too much because Alan and I were close for 28 years. I am grateful for everything that they did. They didn't pay the taxes properly, and they need to take accountability for that. That's not anyone else's fault. They're using that now as a way to say, oh, sorry, you weren't grateful. Yes, I was grateful, but I would have rather just had my husband get the raise so we could have taken our kids to public school or not held it over our head. It's all about control and power. And Donald Trump misuses power.
Were there conversations in the family about how the Trump organization picks up tabs for things? Like, was that ever thought of as, hey, it's great, you got this great parking spot, or they're paying for this? Was that a well-known fact in the family?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, listen, it's in the depositions. I didn't have to say it with my own voice. Barry said it in his own voice. Every January, they came up with a way to confiscate. It was a scheme. We'll give you this instead of a raise. It was to lower compensation taxes so that the payroll company, didn't pay, payroll taxes, state taxes, disability, insurance. And when you're getting a divorce and it says your husband made $153,000 a year for 21 years, I mean, you're controlled by a company, but also you get 25% of that as a woman that's trying to go ahead and support her children. I can make my own money. It's not a problem, but it's not legal. It's not legal. So it might have been nice, but it wasn't legal.
Alan, for 28 years, you were close. What's going on in his head right now? Is he going to flip?
If we can get what we need to, prove on Barry and his son, Jack, yes. He didn't look good the other day. It looked like a stark reality hit him. I think that, listen, if there's a ledger there that they kept because he's meticulous about that, there's papers and there's ledgers about other things. He knows what he's done. He knows what the company's done. These tax schemes, by the way, the gifts and compensation started with Fred Trump. So he's nervous. I think he'll flip. Yep.
Jennifer, thanks for joining us this morning. Jennifer Weisselberg is the ex-daughter-in-law of the Trump Organization CFO, Alan Weisselberg.